Okay. Thank you.
Realtors watched a disturbing video of a colleague being attacked while holding an open house. The woman screamed as loud as she could, but says he groped her before running away.
It hurt really deeply to see my friend pushed like that and down and hear her screams.
The Keller Williams and Porter Ranch, where this woman works, is learning it's happened to others in the Encino area.
One agent in particular that I spoke to in the morning, she said that she was grabbed as well at an open house, and this goes back a couple months ago.
They believe it's the same man. Today, the office held a self-defense class for women and men.
To show any potential attackers out there that we are saying no.
Kathy Card went over different weapons you can use, like pepper spray and stun guns.
Like this.
And it's not just about using tools like this one. Situational awareness is key.
Listening to your gut instinct is huge, guys.
Working in pairs and rehearsing a plan, even key phrases to shout. Rufina Barrera took plenty of notes.
The class is excellent because we as an agent, we don't think that we're going to have this type of persons coming to our open houses.
According to the National Association of Realtors, 1 out of 3 has experienced a situation that made them fear for their safety. 1 out of 20 say they have been the victim of a crime. 44% carry a self-defense weapon, and more than half use a smartphone safety app to track their whereabouts. Barrera recently held an open house on her own. She's taking what she learned today to share with others.
Extend the information to my daughters, to the women outside, that we have to take care, we have to look out.